المصري. عليكم السلام يا بوبا. بوبا.
Hello.
I speak with you Arabic or English?
No, English. I think it's better.
English. You don't know any word, any Arabic word?
لا. شوية بقى كابتن.
شوية. اوكي. اخبارك ايه؟ جود. تمام.
الحمد لله كابتن. الحمد لله.
You signed today to المصري club?
Yeah. I signed with them today.
How many season?
Yeah.
How many season with the Masri?
Yeah, 2 seasons.
You took a lot of money or a little bit?
No.
Huh?
This is my personal. I can't say anything about that. This is my personal issue. I don't have problem for that about the money. Yeah.
You can't say anything about the money, huh?
Yeah.
You are happy with Masri? You signed to Masri club?
I'm happy because I can't say anything because since from the beginning I have the feeling that if I went there that I know that something can happen to me, Like last season I did not perform very good. I have some injury, but now alhamdulillah, I wanted to try to bring my name back.
Before El Masri, you have another contracts before El Masri or offers from other clubs?
Yeah, before the Masri, I have an offer from Smoha. I have from Jaish. I have in Iraq.
Yes.
Shorta Iraq.
Why you didn't choose any club? Why did you choose the Masri club?
Yeah, seriously, because I talked to the coach. He sit down with me, so he said something
You know Captain Tariq Yahya, huh? You know Captain Tariq Yahya.
I know him very well because I sit down with him, we discuss about something, he told me many things, so I have the feeling that I know he can help me and I will try to prove myself to him.
Yeah.
That's why I say that yes, I will go and prove myself there.
And you also you want to play for the Masri fans. There is a lot of fans in Masri club,
Yeah, I know that. I hope, inshallah, they will like me and I will try to do my best in the club.
Buba, you're Ahlawi or Zamalkawi, Buba? Ahlawi or Zamalkawi?
I really like Zamalek,
You like Zamalek?
No, seriously, I like the team. Since I'm in Nigeria, when Amunich is playing there, so I hear about the Zamalek, so I have an interest with them.
Before Zamalek in Africa was very famous.
I really like Zamalek, seriously,
Which player you like in Zamalek?
Really, I can't say anything about that one now.
Why?
No, before I really like Shikabala.
Shikabala.
He's the one
because he's a very talented player.
No, I know. No, he's not with Zamalek. Before I like him seriously.
Your wife will live with you in Port Said?
Yeah, she will live with me there.
She will come to Port Said, huh?
Yeah,
you eat Egyptian food or Nigerian food? You eat Egyptian food or Nigerian food?
No, I eat the both. The Nigeria.
Both types of food, huh? Your wife know how to cook Egyptian food?
Yeah, when it's around, I eat Nigerian food. When she left,
what food you like? What Egyptian food you like to eat? What kind of food?
Yeah, really, I really like. I don't know how I can say. I can't tell the name,
You eat
I see like tamaya,
Tamaya, tamaya. You like tamaya?
Yes.
There is no tamaya in Nigeria.
Yeah, we have it there.
You have tamaya in Nigeria?
Yeah, I have tamaya in Nigeria.
You eat koshari? You know koshari?
No, I eat koshari too.
You are Egyptian, ya Buba.
No, Captain, I really like it. I like Egypt. I like Egypt, seriously.
How long you live here in Egypt?
Yeah, I'm just 9 years now.
6 years, huh?
9
years. 9 years. Long time. You started at Ittihad al-Shorta, yes?
Yeah.
You started at Ittihad al-Shorta.
Yeah.
Good luck, Buba, this season with Al Masri, and we hope to be the top scorer of the Egyptian league, inshallah.
يا رب كابتن ان شاء الله حبيبي.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. بشكر طبعا بوبا اللاعب النيجيري، انضم للنادي المصري، وكانت المحادثه كده اترجم سريعا كده وبعدين نطلع فاصل. يعني بقول له طبعا النادي المصري، وقال لي انا وقعت لمده موسمين، وانا قلت له انت ليه اخترت النادي المصري؟ قال لي النادي المصري انا اعرف كابتن طارق يحيى واتكلمت معاه، ونادي كبير والنادي عنده جماهير. قلت له انت بتحب تلعب قدام جماهير النادي المصري جماهير كبيره؟ قال لي اه طبعا، وانا عارف ان جماهير النادي المصري كبيره. قلت له بقالك قد ايه في مصر؟ قال لي بقالي 9 سنين. لعب طبعا في اتحاد الشرطه قبل كده، ولعب في الجونه، وبعدين راح فتره في العراق كاعاره. قلت له زوجتك هتعيش معاك في بورسعيد؟ قال لي اه زوجتي هتعيش. قلت له بتحب الاكل المصري ولا الاكل النيجيري؟ قال لي باكل الاثنين ما عنديش مشكله. قلت له طب ايه نوعيه الاكل؟ قال لي الطعميه، بحب الطعميه المصري. قلت له في طعميه في نيجيريا؟ قال لي اه في طعميه في نيجيريا. قلت له طب ايه اخبار الكشري؟ قال لي باكل كل حاجه، وسعيد جدا لانضمامه للنادي المصري. قلت له ان شاء الله تعمل موسم جيد وتبقى من هدافين الدوري الممتاز المصري. قال لي ان شاء الله، وبشكرك شكرا جزيلا. طبعا دي صور لتوقيع بوبا اللاعب النيجيري، هو لاعب كويس جدا على فكره، من اللعيبه الافارقه المميزه اللي كان ليها تاثير في الدوري المصري. نتمنى له التوفيق ان شاء الله مع النادي المصري. وكابتن طارق يحيى مدرب كبير طبعا، وجهازه الفني كابتن مدحت مكي وكابتن طارق السيد وكابتن عادل مأمور مدرب حراس المرمى، وتجربه جديده لكابتن طارق بقى مع جماهير النادي المصري. وهنشوف بقى الدوري هيبقى مجموعتين ولا مجموعه. قلنا نتمنى ان هو يكون مجموعه واحده والامور تمشي بشكل كويس والعلاقات تكون مميزه ما بين جميع الانديه المصريه، ودي رغبه برضو الانديه المصريه ان الدوري السنه الجايه يكون من مجموعه واحده. هنطلع فاصل ونرجع مع بعض نكمل اخبارنا. وكنا لسه بنتكلم في اخبار نادي الزمالك، وهنطمن عن نادي الزمالك ان شاء الله واستعداداته لمباراه فيتا كلاب يوم الاحد اللي جاي باذن الله في دوري ابطال افريقيا.
هذا البرنامج